Once I got it to my proper PSI, now I'm going to detach it really quickly from here. So now and then what I do is I kind of pull on it a little bit, and I can feel that it's nice and tight, and there's no problem with it leaking here. So that's why I detach it, just to make sure there's no air leaking there. And so I just kind of hold on to it here, and then I'm going to add some water from a water hose in here.